huyu Nasir kwa ujasiri wake na vile kutumia bongo lake kutoa uvumbuzi huu. Tunaomba majopo yote, taasisi ambazo zinashughulikia kuboresha uzinduzi haswa katika sayansia zije kuweza kumsaidia. Turudi hapa Nairobi, tuelekee bunge ambapo kwa sasa hivi mswada wa kuwezesha upimaji na vile utafiti katika saratani ya kizazi kwa wanawake unajadiliwa. Hebu tuende kule tusikize inavyokwenda.
It is a motion that now awaits implementation by the Ministry of Health through Committee on Implementation. We did debate and we did agree that in every constituency, it is now appropriate for the national government through the Ministry of Health to establish a cancer screening and treatment center. And I still believe and reiterate that this is the position of this House, and that we must at all times urge our government to ensure that these centers are set up and our people are given the appropriate treatment. It is also very important, especially where there can be vaccines, to have all the children that are likely to be affected, especially the girls, by cervical cancer. Let us, through the Ministry of Health, roll out a program, a vaccination program that will go to the grassroots and have the children vaccinated. By so doing, we would definitely arrest and ameliorate this problem, which is actually devastating our country. I confirm that I would be prepared to take part in the smallest of ways to ensure that such a program does go to my constituency, Tharaka, and that I'm able to receive these vaccines in their truckloads so that I have every child vaccinated. I will also be prepared to ensure that the public is actually informed as regards what the government is doing, the importance of doing this, and that it should be embraced without hesitation. We have heard of cases where vaccines are rolled out by the government and the propaganda sets in immediately with all manner of negative publicity, innuendos, and what else we cannot understand. But this is one aspect that must actually be explained to our citizens, that cancer is an epidemic. It now needs to be arrested. We have watched, and as I speak, I have many of my constituents lying in various hospitals ailing from cancer-related ailments. And it's not just what we've mentioned, which is cervical cancer, which affects women. We have the other types of cancer which have been stated in this House, which have been explained to the country, and the people are aware of what is actually ailing us. And the solution is not anything else. Let us have early screening so that every Kenyan is screened for cancer. Let us have treatment whenever it is possible. And our country is doing very well. As Honorable Member said, we do not have to go to India. We do not have to go to any of the hospitals out of Kenya. We do have oncologists here who are trained properly, who are qualified, and who can actually give the medical treatment. Therefore, it is my humble submission that we do support this motion. Let us have cancer taken as one of the ailments, the diseases that are negatively affecting our country. It's reducing the population in spite of whatever age it is, whether it is productive age or it is old age, and it is now creeping slowly into children, and therefore it needs to be arrested. So in support of this motion, I urge the government through the Ministry of Health, I urge this House to pass and adopt this motion so that cancer patients, wherever they are, whether they are in a hospital, whether they are at home, wherever they are able to access proper medical attention as regards cancer, whether cervical or whatever other type of cancer that may be afflicting our own people. I therefore beg to support this very important motion. Thank you very much.
Ruo, before we go to my right, should we have to my left Honorable Manzo Kitonga?
Thank you.